You heard that right. Offline Red, the infamous Offline Red, the guy that's in LA that copies every bike that ConnorG gets. But my homie, he's coming here, he's staying here. We're hosting a ride out in Baltimore, Maryland. So let's go to the airport and pick this sumbitch up.
Welcome to the East Coast, buddy. I'm in the East Coast. What up? The most LA jacket I've ever seen.
All right, guys, so Red arrived to the crib.
Let's go, we made it.
I just want to take a moment to show you guys all the fucking shit that Red brought. Did you bring any clothes, bro? Shitload of offline key tags. Shitload of offline key tags. Lewis Tech brakes. Got a belt. I don't know if I can pull that off. An RTR controller, so the 72 volt stock display will work.
ConnorG.
Use code ConnorG. I'm gonna bleep that out every single time you say it. We have a rotor and a sprocket. We have a supermoto wheel.
Just one.
Just the rear. It's gonna be classic Philly style. Sumo in the back, dirt in the front. We have an AstroWorks shift lock, which I'm gonna cover his name. Shut up.
ConnorG.
You'll see the one on the bike that says ConnorG Media. Use code ConnorG at AstroWorks. The Cali Suron Kid helmet. Dude, I look like a fucking... All right, formulas, we're giving them away, so it's all bike stuff. It's good. Now I have someone to work on my bikes for me.
I'm the Shein kid, bro.
What's up, guys? It's the morning. Red and I were up till fucking 4 a.m. my time. We got our breakfast. We got our megaphone. All right, guys, we're about to reveal the garage to Mr. Offline Red.
Holy shit, it's like a squatter lives in here.
Guys, a little insider knowledge. Red just forgot to record his clips, so you're gonna see his video and just think this is his normal reaction, but literally everything he does on his channel is completely faked. Every video, go back and watch. All the surprises, all of it is completely fake. So this reaction to the garage is also fake, but you'll only know that if you watch my videos. All right, guys, so we have the bike over here. First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how well or not well that Red can ride this bike in its stock form. I was telling him you don't need to bring supermotos, you don't need to bring whatever the hell else. It can wheelie just fine stock, which I'm gonna show him, but first we're gonna try and see if he can wheelie this thing.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm following right. Oh my God. Dude, it's so weird, bro. You can see it. I can't wheelie on these to save my life.
All right, guys, completely stock RTR light. Red is just a worm. Okay, is it harder? Absolutely, yes. Supermotos and better brakes make it better, but you can still wheelie it.
You definitely still could, but...
So we have Red's bike set up on the stand. He's gonna get started on some of the parts installs. I'm gonna make myself useful on my RTR. We've got some new Formula brakes right here. We're gonna put those on the front because our front are low, so we wanna roll some nice stoppies this weekend. Red, are you gonna roll any stoppies?
Not with those front brakes.
Finally got some air tags for the bike, so hopefully no one tries to steal them, but if they do, we'll have them in the bike. Yo, Red, can you give me the Allen key? No, the Allen key, bro. Bro, are you fucking the Allen key?
Be more specific.
Dude, the Allen key, the 3mm. Yes, dude. Unreal. ConnorG has Red here. That means he does no bike work.
Yeah. That's the only reason why I'm here, just to work on your bike now.
We're actually not even doing a ride out.
We just wanted a free RTR light. We're not. There's no ride out. It's for us.
All right, guys, we have finished up the bike. Look at these two vloggers in the middle of nowhere.
I got a camera.
All the red plastics on here. Red put the ConnorG Media AstroWorks use code ConnorG shift lock on. We've got the Supermoto rear. My bike over here. We just did the new formulas in the front. Put the actual AstroWorks shift lock on. Supermotos, everything else. So this thing is pretty dialed. We're just charging up. Like I said, we're gonna rock the touring battery this weekend. Red is gonna rock the stock RTR battery. We tried to change the controller, but it's a totally different controller, so it didn't work. All right, well, with the bikes all dialed and set up, we're going to switch to the GoPro and take Red on a little ride, a little tour of my area before we go riding the city tonight.
Ride safe, my dude.
Let's do this. See how I can wheelie it now? Oh! Woo! Oh, my front wheel isn't spinning because I just put on those new pads. Look at that. Bike work, bike work. Tell me when. Yeah, because now it spins perfectly. All right, with that addressed, Red, let's go terrorize this neighborhood.
You see the way our skin color works.
Yeah, we're getting nice and warmed up for Baltimore. To be hosting my own ride out, especially to do it with the OG homie Offline Red, is so fucking cool. And the fact we're both doing it on Electro & Co. ETM RTRs, the fact we both work with Electro & Co. is fire. Woo-wee. Woo! Oh, I think it was the shred light coming off. Oh, we gotta stop and teach Red how to circle. That's what we can do. Circle tutorial time. So you're gonna start left butt cheek a little to the left, get your right cheek on there. You're gonna pop it up, drag the foot, just walk it. You can literally walk it, use the throttle with the brake at the same time. Okay, just walk it. There you go. Keep walking it, yep. Take your foot up, yes, there you go. And put it down again, keep it up.
Oh my God.
Oh shit. So keep it up and lean a little more left. So, see how I'm leaned like this? You're leaning into it. Don't put too much pressure on your feet. You're just dragging your feet. You're not putting pressure on it. And then if you want a death spin, then you push off.
I don't know if I want to take advice from you,
The Supermoto clearly has helped Red a ton though. Let's see a hand drag. Stretch, yep. Oh! Stun practice, pre-Baltimore. Dip, yup. Guys, I am so hyped for this freaking ride. Red and I are both so damn hyped. It's gonna be so sick.
Wow. That's actually very good. Got a little bit of a brake fade.
Dude, that's what Lewis Tech's do to you. Insert the clip from Vegas, bro.
I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said.
Dude, my tailbone is still fucked up from that. Yay! Can I have your autograph? No way.
You got a marker?
It's good, bro. Yeah.
How are you? What's your name?
Jack, nice to meet you, dude. You watch us on YouTube? Hell yeah.
I mean, I'd sign some, but I don't got any markers.
I don't either. We'll be around. We can find a marker and we'll be back.
Okay.
All right?
I got a sticker for you. Hey, you ready?
He's got it! Guys, if you want either of these bikes we're riding right now, use code ConnorG and you can save at checkout. Kick-ass bikes. I've ridden Electro & Co products for a minute and they rock. Hey, oh! The issue with this is you cannot see any holes. Bro, it's all sticking to me.
Following your trails.
Oh! Oh, big ditch. Bro, I got so many of these things in my shoes. Bro, what even are these things?
Foxhead seeds.
Oh, they're all everywhere.
Dude, I love this thing. Dude, this one feels easier to wheelie than my fucking RTR. I don't get it.
Good dude, it's the ConnorG special. I told you.
Like, I can pop it up going 20 like nothing.
Yeah.
On mine, I can't.
But it's the light with the 72 volt. I don't know. Whoa! Oh my god, my brakes didn't grab there for a sec. Dude, I think there were like those little weeds on my rotor. I almost just had no brake for a second.
Me too.
Did yours do the same?
Yeah, literally. You'll see on the video. I was like, whoa.
Dude, I did the same shit. I dropped back. I'm like, whoa. Dude, it would suck to just loop hard right now.
Like, yo, before my ride out, don't let me fall.
Dude, that would suck. Red's being nice and waving to everyone on the trail.
Nice. Would I live here? Probably not.
Me neither.
Is it nice? Yeah.
Everything the light touches is yours.
The light touches you.
Yeah, you had a bit of a good time, mate. Yeah, well, that's what life's about, isn't it? That's what life's about, mate. Just getting out there, having fun, you know, following your passion and just being enthusiastic, you know. That's,
All right, that was fun. We got our clips. We're gonna head back, charge up, do some editing, and go ride because we need it. This needs the fast charger then. What up, Hex fam? Oh shit, wrong channel. Back in the garage right now. Honestly, a good ride so far. What do you think of the area?
Dude, the area is so different. Oh man, I loved it.
It's the middle. It's the middle of nowhere, so it's. Of course, it's like.
I like it though.
Why do you think I go everywhere else to ride? Yeah. But it is fun to go practice and whatnot. So we got the bike set up. Red's looking good. I think this is like Red with the red bike. I think that this looks just like a freaking CRF 110. And then we have my bike. You know, new pads all around. Otherwise, good to go. So I'm excited. Red, last question. What do you think of the grid shift headlight? I f with it.
I like it. I think it's very unique, but I wish it had like the Batman looking ears, like the actual Ultra B ones. But other than that,
Oh, that's a good point. All right.
it's fine.
Cool. Well, this video is going to be posted on the day of the ride out, so I would tell you to show up, but it'll be too late. But you should show up, and you could win an RTR Light. But stay tuned, because Red and I are going to be doing more ride out. We're going to be doing more giveaways.
More giveaways, more
So
ride-outs.
make sure you're subscribed to both of us. I'll link Red's channel down below, his Instagram, yada yada.
I probably
But
want to do for the sake of my YouTube channel.
anyways, guys, I will catch you next time in Baltimore. Let's go. Goodbye.